Hi guys, welcome back to Solution Lab. On this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem, whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial. We're here to help, so without any further delay or any further ado, let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Duolingo animations not working. It's a pretty easy and basic thing to do, so just follow the guide. First thing first, if you haven't already subscribed to Solution Lab, please consider subscribing. Let's jump right into the video. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Duolingo animations not working. It's a pretty easy thing to do. So what you need to do is go in the app settings from the mobile settings, scroll down and click on apps. Once we click on apps, now what you need to do is click on manage apps and now search for Duolingo, or at the top just simply search it up. I would prefer to search it up because it's a pretty fast process. Click on storage and at the bottom click on clear data, click on clear cache. Now what you need to do is open up the app store or play store and search for Duolingo at the very bottom right. Search it up, Duolingo, and make sure that the app is updated. If not, update it first, and that should definitely work. After you refresh it twice or thrice, it should be working back to normal. I hope this tutorial was helpful and informative. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Solution Lab for more helpful tutorials. If you have any queries or suggestion, leave them in the comments below. Till then, take care. See you next time.